Hello students, I am your maths teacher Amit and today we are going to do NCERT class 10th maths unit 6 exercise 6.2 question number 9. In this question we are given ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC, AB parallel to DC and its diagonals are intersecting each other at point O. Diagonals are intersecting each other at point O and we need to show that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. So we have written the given information that ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD and this is to prove. Now we are going to do construction. From point O we will draw OE which is parallel to AB and it is meeting AD at point E. Now student, if we focus on triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, OE is parallel to AB. OE parallel to AB by construction. So from BPT we can say that line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle will divide the other two sides of the triangle in the same ratio. So by BPT we can say this will divide these two sides in the same ratio. So we got the relation that DE upon EA is equal to DO upon OP. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now we are already given that AB and CD are parallel and EO is parallel to AB, EO parallel to AB by construction and AB and CD are parallel. It is given in the question and we know if two lines are parallel to the same line, this is parallel to this, this is parallel to this. If two lines are parallel to the same line, they will be parallel to each other. So we can say EO will parallel to DC. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now if we focus on triangle ACD, in this triangle ACD, in triangle ACD we have just proved that EO parallel to DC, EO parallel to DC. So by BPT this line is parallel to this side of the triangle, so it will divide the other two sides of the triangle in the same ratio. So from here we can say DE upon EA, DE upon EA will equal to CO upon OA, CO upon OA. Let's say this is equation number 3. Now if we compare equation 1 and 3, in equation 1 and 3 LHS is same. From equation 1 and 3, if we compare these two equations, we got DO upon OB is equal to CO upon OA. Now we will do the cross multiplication, so this OA will be shifted to RHS, this DO will be shifted to, this will be shifted to LHS, this will be shifted to RHS. So what we got, this will be here OA upon OB is equal to CO upon DO, or we